So this is the Wheeleazy automotive tool. It's a wheel fitting and a stud alignment tool. We're just going to show you the benefits of this tool and how it works in lifting wheels onto the hub, and indeed heavy wheels onto the hub, which saves potential back injury and speeds the process up, but also the benefit of fitting wheels to German cars, because all German cars have got a really small lip for them to sit on. So let's just demonstrate what it's like, first of all, on fitting a wheel back onto the hub on a German car. That's Audis, Mercs, BMWs and the like. So we're lifting it onto the hub, try to line it up, and what we've got is looking to get it on there. It's going on now, I think. Is it? Yeah. And then what you've got to do, it doesn't hang on. You can't free your hands, so it falls off. So try it again, Chris. So he puts it onto the hub. It's got it on. Now what he's got to do, he's got to find the holes to line it up and hold it in place with one hand, and then you can put the stud in place, and hopefully you don't cross thread it, because you know you're concentrating on holding it on. And then look what happens here. You go around and then there, yeah. Now there's a potential here for the thread to be crossed because the weight's all on one thread. However, put it back on and you can see the difficulty here when it goes round. You're having to transfer your hand and then it falls out. And we're not trying to blag anybody here. We're not even trying to make it look difficult. It's just the way it is. So that's that. Chris, I think we've seen enough. I mean, Germans are renowned for their engineering, and they are pretty good, let's face it, but this is British engineering at its best. We're solving a problem here because we're going to show you now how much easier it is to fit a wheel with Wheeleazy. So now we're going to show you the benefit in using the Wheeleazy automotive tool when fitting a wheel onto the hub and aligning the studs. So in this instance, the Mercedes, it's a female hub, so we're going to use the appropriate male peg and we're going to put it into the hole like so. There you go. And then we're going to use the Wheeleazy. We're going to locate it through the hole, the top hole of the wheel, apply some pressure to it. It just slides on to the hub really nicely, and you can take your hand away. Look at it, just hang in there. That is amazing. That is unbelievably beautiful design. And then from here, guess what you can do? You can line your holes up with the studs really easy. Just hold it with one hand, and then you're not having to concern yourself about because look, there it's holding it in place, and it'll pivot round, and the stud nips up safely without cross threading. What a beautiful piece of kit this is. And obviously I would say that because I've designed it, but it is ingenious. In fact, it's actually a masterpiece of engineering. But look at that. Take it out, Chris. I'm going to ask you honestly, genuinely, you know, what's your, did you find that
it was really easy?
It was weird.
Really easy.
That's quite clever of you to use that as a as a little anecdote for our. So yeah,
easier than struggling
and knobbing about
without
it. Yeah. So in a nutshell, that's it. It saves time. You're not bending over, straining your back. You're not lifting an heavy weight, and it's an all-round winner.
No-brainer.
No-brainer, isn't it? It's a no-brainer. So Christopher. Thank you for demonstrating that. Yeah, it's alright, mate. It's alright. Superb piece of kit. That's the Wheeleazy in operation. And you know what? It's durable. The reviews on it have been absolutely stunning throughout the world. It's currently selling in Australia, New Zealand, Europe and Great Britain, selling in large numbers in Great Britain. It's now time for Wheeleazy to be adopted by the American general public. Perfect for rotating wheels and changing from your wheels from summer to winter and winter to summer. It's just an all-round beautifully designed tool. Anyway, thanks for watching our little video, and we just hope that you like it and that you go and have a look for it on Amazon.